Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you guys are doing so well. I wanted to hop on an update on my weight loss journey, my goals, what the end of 2020 I want to look like for me, and the beginning of 2021. So I figured before the new year, I'll just make the rest of the year a good one. I wrote down a few things on my phone here that I want to talk about. And I figure, you know, what better place than to come on and do it on YouTube, because YouTube is my safe place. I love YouTube. I love you guys. And yeah, I wanted to just kind of go through what I'm going to talk about. So I'm going to talk about where my head is at, my goals, my current weight. I'm actually going to step on this scale and show you guys my weight, because I haven't in a long time, and it's just something that I want to share. I've gotten a few, I'm not gonna make this video any limelight on me or hatred comments, but I got a few messages of people telling me how I've gained a lot of weight back, like they think I have, but I'm gonna prove to you that I haven't. And I'm not doing this video to prove anything, but just to myself. I wanted to do this and I want to look back on it. And that's another thing, 2020 has held me back long enough. Like, I'm just tired of this year. I'm tired of excuses. So I also want to talk about my anniversary date for weight loss and where I want to be this time next year. So if this is something that's going to interest you at all, maybe help motivate you to set some goals, please keep watching, because 2020 has been crazy, and I feel like we all just need to like take a second and just like breathe and just be our best selves, and don't let other things get in the way, as in like other people's goals. Like, set your own goals, make sure that they're realistic, you know. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to just talk to you guys. I know a lot of you might be here to see my weight, but I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. First of all, I wanted to talk about like where my head's at. So, you know, I'm not going to lie to you guys, my head has not been in the game this year. I want it to be, and I want to push myself harder. It's November, it's the end of the year. It doesn't mean that I have to start 2021 off on the wrong foot. What I'm gonna do, I was just talking to my boyfriend Jason. You guys might know him if you're not new here, but he's my boyfriend. I've been with him for about 5 years in March of 2021. And we both just want to set goals and just stick to them. You know, Jason and I, we love each other. We like to go out to eat. We like to bond and hang out. And you know, eating out is a huge thing in a relationship. Don't mind the mess, by the way. We're cleaning our room and gonna decorate and stuff, so just don't mind that, okay? Anyways, I just want to be my best self, because eventually, you know, the whole main reason why I was trying to lose weight was to have a baby. And we haven't been trying or anything, but once we get married, which honestly, you guys, 2021, let's just hope, because not that I really want to talk about anything like that, but we just decided to wait a little bit on that kind of stuff, getting married and everything, just for right now, just with the virus and everything, because we do want to have a nice big wedding anyways. So anyways, that's just a whole nother topic, but we're very happy and we just want to get healthy. We were just talking and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go make a YouTube video, because that's what kind of sparked this video. So yeah, anyways, back to what I was saying is we set some goals to try to not eat out. Well, we can eat out and stuff, like go to people's houses, like my parents. We're gonna go there for Thanksgiving, just my parents, me and Jason and my brother. Like, obviously this year is crazy and you can't do gatherings and stuff really, so we're just going to go eat some turkey with my parents. But other than that, I really want to stick to like not eating out, as in like just going and getting a quick dinner, even if it's Subway or something that you can track on Weight Watchers or with calories. I just wanted it to be something that I really try to cook from home, and I try to go grocery shopping and save money. With Christmas coming, I want to buy people gifts, and you know, grocery shopping is not cheap either, but eating out on top of grocery shopping is really it's kind of stupid to do that if you're gonna sit and eat out and not eat the food that you buy. That's a huge goal of mine, is to really eat at home, make meals that I really like, and maybe try new things. That's just kind of what I want to do, because when I lost the majority of my weight, I would make meals at home every single night, would track every day, and I'd have times where I'd go out and I'd enjoy myself, but they were few and thin. I would eat more at home than anything. So yeah, kind of my goals too. I wrote down my goals. My goals are to not eat out, and if I do, like really watch what I eat and you know, just to feel better inside too, because I've got a lot of stomach stuff going on right now because I had a root canal and I was on antibiotics and like nothing sounded good, but I was constantly hungry. I'm still kind of struggling with it right now. It just happened last weekend, so I wanted to get this out there and talk to you guys. So yeah, my next one is my weight. So I'm gonna insert a clip of me stepping on the scale here. I'm weighing in about 270 to 275 most days. Some days I'm weighing less. I'm weighing 268, but these are days that I am like really sticking to my goals, you guys. Like but yeah, I obviously, like, I can't fake that. Like, that's what I weigh right now and I'm okay with it. I wish it was less. My lowest weight was 265. That's the lowest I've ever weighed since being an adult. I remember stepping on the scale at my old job. The highest I ever weighed was like 330, but that was actually when I was kind of actually starting to watch what I ate again. So I might have weighed more than 330, I don't know, but my highest ever weight was 330 pounds, and I just remember the feeling of stepping on the scale and just wanting to just bawl my eyes out. And it was the end of my work day, working a 12-hour shift, and all I wanted to do was go eat. But at the end of the day too, I was like, it's just not worth it eating out. Like, this eating out is really making me plump up. Like, it is really messing with my whole entire thing. Like, so anyways, I working out a lot, and maybe if I can find some clips. In the beginning, my weight loss journey, you guys, was so good. Like, I was doing so good. I was hitting the gym like almost every single day. Okay, I had to clear up some storage. I went through a lot in 2020, you guys, and I feel like everybody really has, to be honest with you. And yes, it's an excuse, but it's true. I mean, it's crazy. We can't go do a lot of things we were used to doing. I mean, my gym clothes for weeks fell off. All I wanted to do was order takeout because there's nothing else to do. You know, we couldn't go do the normal day-to-day things that we were used to doing. It was a big life change. And it's okay to not be okay sometimes. Anyways, I'm gonna stop using that though as an excuse for my 2020 like why I haven't really lost weight. But I am very proud of myself, and it's okay to be proud of yourself. Like, I feel like a lot of people don't want to take accountability that, like, okay, I really did that, you know. I was in a really dark place at my highest weight. Like, I really honestly hated myself. I hated my body. My sex life was hard because I didn't want to even be naked in front of my own boyfriend that I've been with for years. I felt disgusting. I would bawl my eyes out in a dressing room. I never wanted to shop with my best friends, my friends that I've been friends with since like 5th grade, and I was so ashamed of my body. Everything about my body I hated. I let it mute who I really was for such a long time, and it's really sad. And I wish that I could go back and hug the young Brittney who wouldn't even go to the beach as a young kid because I was so fat and I was scared that people would look at me. And it's heartbreaking, you know. And that's a huge reason why it's like I want to do this for myself, because I want to prove to myself that I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm gonna stop rambling on though about that kind of stuff. So yeah, you guys just seen my weight. You see where I kind of stand there. So my goals are to really hammer out this year and push myself as hard as I can without breaking myself like I normally do. So what happens is I do really good. I get down to really low weight. I almost hit 265, which is my lowest weight. It's not my goal weight, that's my lowest weight. Almost hit that, and then something happens where I just get sick of dieting and I crave horrible food like McDonald's, or, you know. And it's not just one meal. Like, that's the thing that people don't understand. Like, if you eat one meal, that's bad. Like, let's say you're doing really good all week and Saturday comes and you go out and you have Texas Roadhouse or something with your family, and then Sunday you get back on track and you're good and you just keep going. Like, that's the kind of stuff that will help you lose weight in the long run. But for me, it's not even binge eating anymore. It's going out to eat Friday night, Saturday night, and then Sunday I'm like, well, I already messed up the whole week, so I'm just gonna eat whatever I want today and I'll get back on track on Monday. Well, those 3 days of eating whatever I want and like eating way more calories than I need, I gained weight, and now I have to lose that weight that I gained over the weekend all week. The weekend comes and I gain the weight back, and it's just like this. It's never ending, and that's what I mean. It's just been a roller coaster this year, and I'm sick of it, you know. But yeah, so I don't know, you guys, those are my goals of just not eating out, working out a couple times a week. You know, I've been struggling with my back. My lower back's really bad. Walking on the treadmill for 20 minutes, even a couple times a week, trying to get back in the swing of things. Making dinner at home, and you know, just talking good about myself. Oh, and drinking more water. So this is 40 ounces. I'm gonna be drinking 2 to 3 of those a day. I have been doing that, so that's one thing that I have going for me right now is my water intake. Girl's addicted to food, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I'm addicted to food. That's where I struggle too, is I'm really addicted to food. Food is my favorite thing in the whole world. It's like almost like a drug. Obviously you can't not eat. You have to like reel it in, take a step back and like just sit back and like look at, why am I addicted to food? What do I love to eat that I can make at home, that I can modify, you know, or something like that. I don't know, you guys, it's just hard. Like, so yeah, my 2-year anniversary is November 1st, and it is November 22nd, and I am currently at the same weight I was 1 year ago, 65 pounds down. I am very proud of myself. I'm not going to lie to you guys and be like, I know I could be further. I'm just gonna straight out say I'm proud that I didn't gain all my weight back, because the way things were going, I was going up and up and up. The highest weight I hit was 285. I was going to Weight Watcher weigh-ins with my friend Danielle, and I just remember how shitty I felt stepping on the scale in front of that lady. She didn't know anything. She didn't know me. She didn't know my weight or nothing, but just the feeling of looking down at that scale and thinking, I used to weigh 265 and I let myself gain 20 pounds in a couple months. Or, you know, like you're going through something and it's okay to gain some weight, but when it starts to pile on, it really, the feeling is just not good. And I know a lot of people that have gained all their weight back, and it's a mental thing, you guys. Like, gaining weight after you've lost weight is a worse feeling than being overweight and never have lost the weight. Like, I was never gonna lose weight again. I felt like I didn't know where to start, and I'm still kind of on that path. Like, I feel like I can't get where I was. What I'm going to do, though, I'll tell you very much, is I'm going to start tracking again, because I love Weight Watchers, and although there's times where I'm like, maybe I should just do something else, try something else. Like, I don't want to. I want to do Weight Watchers. If you've been here for a little bit, you've watched some of my What I Eat in a Days, you're gonna know that I like to eat processed food. I like it here and there, and I also really like healthy food here and there. So it's like a balance. You can do either or and lose weight. So I love Weight Watchers. I do the blue plan. If you're new here, I do the blue plan, and I absolutely love it. But please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do way more updates on there daily. I'm on there all the time, and now that this video is up, I'm gonna really be posting a lot on there. I'm gonna try to post my meals, and I'm gonna try to video and get YouTube videos up more, just to keep myself accountable. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening, and please be kind, be nice to one another, and take care, and take care of yourself. Don't forget, 2020's been a crazy year, but you can do anything that you put your mind to. Just know that. Let 2021 be a great year, but end 2020 even better, baby. Bye, you guys. Love you.